Indian Supreme Court is the apex judicial body of the country, which is entrusted with the solemn responsibility to safeguard the constitution, interpreting laws and delivering justice to the citizen of the India. To ensure the smooth functioning of the court and addresses the burdens of the cases, the Constitution empowers the court to appoint ad hoc judges on the need basis. Article 128, subsection 1 of the Indian Constitution empowers the Chief Justice of India to appoint retired judges or Chief Justice of High Court as ad hoc judges for a period not exceeding 2 years. This aims to provide experienced and qualified legal professions into bench in the time of necessities, such as where the regular judges are recused or on the leave. The appointment of the ad hoc judges has several processes. Number one, case loss management. Indian Supreme Court hurdles a massive case loss, over 70,000 cases pending at various stages. Ad hoc judges help to reduce the burden on regular judges and give reasonable judgments. Specialized expertise in complex and specialized cases, and the ad hoc judges' specific expertise can provide valuable insight in assisting regular judges in delivering well-reasoned judgments. Impartiality. Ad hoc judges are not permanent members of the court, which can reduce the risk of the bias and conflict of interest. They can bring fresh perspective and ensure the impartiality of the judicial process. To enable for the appointment as an ad hoc judges, a candidate must fulfill the following requirements: to be a retired Supreme Court judge or Chief Justice of a High Court, possess integrity and strong understanding of law, be physical and mentally fit to handle demanding work of a Supreme Court judge. Indian Supreme Court Chief Justice, with consultation with the other judges of Supreme Court, selects and appoints the ad hoc justice. The appointment is made through formal order, which includes the name of appointee, the period of the appointment, and the specific cases which are assigned to them. Ad hoc judges have same powers, duties, and responsibility as the regular judges. They participate in the hearing, examine the evidence, and deliver judgments. They are also entitled to the same salary allowances, speaks, and regular judges' advantages. Advantages of having ad hoc judges. Flexibility. Ad hoc judges provide flexibility to the court, allowing the appointment of specialties and the retired judges on the need basis. Reduced caseload. They can help to reduce the burden on the regular judges and ensure timely justice for litigants. Specialized expertise. Ad hoc judges bring specialized knowledge, experience to the bench, enhancing the quality of judicial decisions. While the ad hoc judges offer several advantages, there are also concern and criticism associated with their appointment. Limited tenure. The short tenure of 2 years may limit the continuity and constitutional memory of the court. Independence. Ad hoc judges may be preserved as will be independent, then less regular due to their temporary status. Potential conflicts of interest. Ad hoc judges are not permanent members of the court. They may still have connections or conflicts of interest that could impact their judgments. To address these concerns and optimize the role of ad hoc judges in the Indian Supreme Court, the following measures are considered. Extended tenures. The tenure of the ad hoc judges could be extended to 3 years to provide greater continuity and stability. Independence safeguards. Mechanism could be put in place to enhance the independence of ad hoc judges, such as transparent appointment procedure and clear guidelines of the conflict of interest. Training and monitoring. The court provides training and monitoring programs for ad hoc judges to ensure that they are well equipped to handle all the demands of the Supreme Court. Ad hoc judges can play a vital role in Indian Supreme Court, providing flexibility, reduced caseload, and bringing specialized expertise to the bench. It is essential to address the concerns related to their limited tenure, independence, and protection conflict of interest. By implementing and taking measures, the court can optimize the role of ad hoc judges to ensure the continuity of smooth functioning of apex judicial body in India and deliver a timely verdict so that the country can have proper justice.